Yo, what's up yo? My name is PJO and welcome to my YouTube channel, PJO. Yon. So for today guys, it's another day of our productivity challenge. So it's already our day 25 and for today guys, we are going to talk about managing your energy. Yon, di ba? So my name is PJ. I'm from Cebu, Bisaya, Akubay. So I make mga videos about mga productivity challenge, about mga money making, about mga food vlogs, travel, and yung mga sideline guys, yung na pwede natin other source of income, kumbaga, di ba? So if you like those things guys, please subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you will be updated of my latest videos. Yon. So ngayon guys, day 25 na tayo. Kumusta kayo guys? I hope you are all doing well, especially ngayon nga na we are still on quarantine, community quarantine here in Cebu, and I think in the entire Philippines guys, naka-quarantine tayo. So yon, keep safe everyone, and yon, stay at home as much as possible, and yon, stay healthy, sleep early, ganon. Yon. So for today guys, yung pag-usapan nga natin is yung how we can manage our energy. So usually guys, yung pinag-uusapan ng iba is yung time management, di ba? As we all know, we've discussed about time management before. So yun yung mga pag-schedule ng mga activities guys, like yung for the entire week, di ba? May mga schedule na tayo from morning, noon, afternoon, evening, lahat ng schedule natin is nakaset. But yung problema lang dun guys is we tend to forget about yung energy levels natin, kumbaga, na which is also very important, di ba? For example, di ba guys, kung mapapansin nyo, in a day, sobrang dami na sinet nyo na task for the day, madaming activities na nakalaan for the day, but in the end guys, hindi nyo kayang gawin because yun nga, wala tayo energy, walang gana, or yun, demotivated tayo. So it all boils down na yung energy level natin guys is mababa. So yung pag-usapan natin today guys is bakit mahalaga na i-manage din yung energy natin guys, and paano natin ma-manage yung energy levels natin, di ba? So yun guys, konting energy yun. So pag-usapan natin yung energy levels guys, ano yung mga sources of energy natin guys. So there are 4 sources of energy, kumbaga guys. Yung physical energy natin, emotional, then yung mind energy, and of course yung spirit energy. So isa-isahin natin pag-usapan yun guys. So first is yung physical energy natin guys. So mahalaga yun guys. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, especially sa mga busy, sobrang busy na mga negosyante or yung mga businessman or yung mga manager, kumbaga yung mga top executives guys, kung mapapansin nyo, they are very busy throughout the day hanggang sa gabi, and naka-compromise na yung health nila, kumbaga guys. They sleep less, gano'n, di ba? 5 hours, 4-5 hours, then yon. So sobrang ano tawag ito, cramp up yung schedule nila guys. So sobrang tight yung schedule nila that wala na silang time na to take care of their health, kumbaga yung physical health nila guys, napapabayaan. So in the long run guys, it will really affect them physically, di ba? Nagkakasakit, yun nga, hindi na nila matapos yung task nila for the day because yun nga, physically mababa yung energy nila, di ba? Nagkakasakit, mentally, di ba? Yun din, may problema din sila, gano'n, di ba? So yun guys, so ano yung mga ways na kumbaga yung physically maitaas natin yung energy level natin, di ba? So yung ways dun guys is very simple lang guys, which is I think napapabayaan talaga natin guys, is yun, yung step dun guys is we should sleep early, kumbaga, di ba? So maaga matulog guys, at least 7 to 8 hours a day yung sleep natin, di ba? And of course exercise, di ba? Very simple, yet yun nga, napapabayaan natin na wala tayo masyadong ginagawang exercise, or hindi tayo naglalaan ng time for exercise guys, di ba? Kahit yung simple ano lang guys, brisk walking in the morning, ano yung mga cardiovascular exercises, mga strengthening exercises, ganun guys. May mga home videos naman na tayo pwedeng gawin, di ba? So a lot, even mga 30 minutes of work or mga exercises daily guys, malaking may tutulong yun sa inyo, di ba? So yung third natin guys is yung of course eating healthy. So i-change natin yung eating habits natin, kumbaga guys, di ba? Most of yun nga, yung mga busy na tao guys is, kung mapapansin nyo yung kinakain nila is sometimes medyo unhealthy, di ba? Junk food, kundi yung mga fast food, di ba? So, and most of the time guys, 2 times lang sila kumakain, di ba? Mga big meals, kumbaga sa lunch and dinner, doon sila bumabawi, and the rest of the days masyado silang busy. So yun guys, ang advice doon guys is we should eat regularly, kumbaga mas better yung eat little portions, kumbaga 3 times a day, then there are some light snacks in between. Yun, so mas nakakatulong yun guys kung isipin nyo guys, di ba? Napakadali lang matulog and mag-exercise, and yon, kumain ng maayos, di ba? So yung 3 steps na yun guys, makakatulong talaga sa ating physical energy, kumbaga. So if we follow those mga simple lang yun guys, if we follow those simple steps, kumbaga, you will be amazed guys na yung energy levels nyo, physical energy levels nyo tataas guys, yung maaga kayo magigising, and all throughout the day guys, yung energy levels nyo is mataas. So mas madami kayong ma-accomplish na task, and hindi kayo prone magkasakit, di ba? Kumbaga, so more energy, mas happy, and of course mas madami kayong mako-complete na task of the day. So yun guys, so yung mahalaga yun guys, physically we should take care of ourselves. Yun. So yung number 2 na naman natin guys is yung emotion energy. So ano ibig sabihin ng emotion energy guys? Most people are productive if yung nasa positive mindset sila guys, or yung positive vibes, kumbaga, na yun, positive outlook, positive energy, positive vibes, mas madali nila na-accomplish yung task nila, di ba? Because mataas yung positive energy nila, kumbaga. Yung emotion nila is masaya sila, they are happy of what they are doing, di ba? Positive. So mahalaga yung positive mental attitude guys. So yun guys, if positive tayo, yung kahit yung those difficult tasks guys, it seems na magaan, kumbaga. Magaan kasi na good mood tayo, kumbaga. In simple term, good mood tayo gawin yung gusto nating yung mga tasks na binigay sa atin, di ba? So yun, nakasmile kayong gumagawa ng reports, gano'n. So mas easier, mas madali. So ang problem lang dun guys is yung positive mood natin, or yung good vibes, is hindi siya nagla-last long, kumbaga. There are some tinatawag natin mga triggering events, kumbaga, na nakakapag-down sa atin, nakakapag-down sa ating moral, sa ating yun nga, yung good mood natin, di ba? Biglang nagiging bad mood na tayo, or yun, walan tayo ng patience, kumbaga, sa work. And yun guys, ang steps dun guys, so that we can maintain yung positive vibes natin guys, is number 1 guys is yun, identify natin kung ano yung mga triggering events na nagka-cause sa atin na yun nga, mabad mood tayo. So as much as possible guys, iwasan natin yung mga triggering events na yun. For example, ano ba yung nakapag-bad mood sa atin? Example, reading news, or yung mga reading ng mga bad news, kumbaga, like, di ba, we open ng mga Facebook, mga Twitter, and if yun guys nakapag bad mood sa atin, so better na prevent na lang guys, or iwasan na lang natin mag-check ng social medias, kumbaga, di ba? So yun, it's another way. So for example guys, yung triggering events, hindi naman natin maiwasan, di ba? So anong gagawin natin? So yung step number 2 natin guys, yung tinatawag natin na breathe in and breathe out na way. So it's very easy, very simple lang guys, but it actually helps a lot, di ba? So in cases na yung na biglaan guys, na anong tawag ito, na nakapag-bad mood sa atin, yung example, mga sudden news or mga depende, di ba? So ang gawin natin guys is easy lang guys. Pause na tayo. So inhale and exhale. So take a deep breath, yon, malalim, then hold it. Then release it, mga 5 seconds. Exhale. So, ulitin lang natin yun, guys. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Diba? So, it helps us relax, guys. Makalma tayo, kumbaga. So, yung mga triggering events, at least, hindi tayo basta-basang na apektuhan, diba? So, yun, we can think clearly after hearing yung kung anong mang sudden news or bad news, diba? So, yun. Breathe in, breathe out lang, guys. Yun. Until ma-compose yun yung self nyo, diba? So, you can think clearly kung ano yung steps na gagawin nyo, diba? So, it really helps a lot, guys. So, yun, napakadali, diba? Breathe in and breathe out. Yun. So, yun, guys. So, yun nga, guys, it's really important that, yung positive vibes natin all throughout the day, ma-maintain natin. If not man, at least maibalik natin somehow. So another way doon, guys, is through showing appreciation, guys. So yun, there's this psychological effects, guys. For example, nakikita natin kasi yung mga positive things na ginagawa ng mga, for example, yung kasamahan natin sa work, di ba, yung office mate natin or yung teammate natin, di ba, pag may ginawa silang favor for us or ginawa nilang maayos yung work nila, di ba, example, boss tayo, tapos yung ano natin, yung mga tauhan natin is they are doing their job well. So, yun, guys, show our appreciation to them, ganun. So, pasalamatan natin sila, guys, na thank you, you're doing a good job, you're doing great, yung mga ganun, guys. So, yun, we'll be amazed, guys, that may positive impact din yun sa nagbibigay ng appreciation, guys. So, mahalaga din yun, guys. Show your appreciation, guys, to your friends, family, yung mga co-work mates nyo. Yun. And last step natin, guys, is after showing appreciation, guys, eto, guys, mahalaga dito is yung tinatawag natin na tell hopeful stories to yourself. Hindi, kumbaga, di ba? So, hindi naman minsan, guys, but I'm pretty sure na somehow kinakausap nyo yung sarili nyo, guys. At example, at the end of the day, hindi maganda yung naipasa nyo na reports. And yun, there's this tendency kasi na i-down natin yung self natin, di ba? At the end of the day, sabihin mo, uy, hindi ka talaga magaling or mga ganun, guys. So, yung mga negative yung pinupunan nyo sa sarili nyo. So, ang mahalaga dun, guys, is yung mga positive words. Yun yung sabihin nyo sa sarili nyo na, uy, next time, ito yung gagawin natin, ha? Ito yung, alam kong kaya mo yun. Ganun, guys. Inaano natin yung sarili natin, guys. Pinupush natin somehow na we can actually do the work, kumbaga. So, mga hopeful and positive stories yung ikikwento natin sa ating sarili, guys, di ba? So, that's a way na yung emotion energy natin, guys, is yun, mataas, di ba? So, it's still at high level, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun, guys. So, emotion energy. So, yung third natin naman, guys, is mind energy naman tayo, guys. So, ano ibig sabihin nun, guys? It's more on yung focus natin, guys, or yung attention natin, guys, di ba? Yun yung we focus, kumbaga, on the task at hand, kumbaga, because there is this tendency, guys, na nagmo-multitasking tayo, guys, na hindi natin natatapos. For example, may tinatype kayo na email, kumbaga, reply na email, tapos biglang mag-reply kayo sa cellphone nyo, may tatawag sa inyo, may ganon. So, in short, multitasking kayo, guys. So, ang ending nun, guys, is it's either hindi nyo matapos yung yung task, di ba? Because you keep on jumping from one task to another, di ba? So, ang ending nun is hindi nyo matatapos yung ibang task or half-baked yung ginawa nyo dun sa mga task ninyo, di ba? So, yun, guys, ang mahalaga dun is focus tayo, guys, one task at a time, di ba? So, dapat yun nga, yung attention natin, guys, is nasa task nyo 100%. So, ano yung mga simple ways na somehow it will help us, guys, na yung attention natin is nasa one task at a time. So, yung first natin, guys, is you can actually go to a quiet place, kumbaga. for example, sa office nyo, there is this mga vacant na conference room, di ba? Or sa school, di ba? Sa library. Doon sa mga tahimik, guys, na malayo kayo sa, ano sa tawag dito? Yung sa, malayo sa noise, kumbaga. Malayo kayo sa disturbance from other people, gano'n, di ba? Malayo kayo sa telephone nyo, di ba? At least you will be focused on kung ano yung example, yung pinaka-difficult task for the day, di ba? So, yun guys, find a quiet location, di ba? Or pwede din, depende guys kung saan yung quiet location nyo, in your workplace, in your school, in your home, di ba? So, hanap kayo guys ng mga tahimik na places that you will be, yung concentration nyo guys is 100% yung attention nyo is nasa work nyo or yung ano man yung task nyo at hand, di ba? So that would really help. So second guys is anong tawag ito, flight mode, kumbaga tayo sa ating communication guys. So i-silent natin yung mga cellphones natin, ganon yung mga notification, kumbaga, because there is this tendency guys, di ba, pag nag-notify, i-open natin. So nai-interrupt kumbaga yung ginagawa natin, so hindi natin matapos on time because of that. So yun guys, turn off nyo yung notification nyo guys, you will be amazed na walang disturbance, di ba, for yung duration na naka-mute or naka-silent yung phone nyo, di ba? So focus lang kayo sa ginagawa nyo. So magandang idea yun guys, especially yung sa mga meetings, di ba? You can notice na yung ibang executives or ibang example, yung manager natin tumawag na meeting and then sa sobrang busy niya, he keeps on answering mga emergency calls or mga phone calls, and minsan nasa laptop siya tumitingin. So ang ending nun guys, hindi matapos-tapos yung meeting nyo, and yung concentration or yung attention ng mga tao is wala na. So yun guys, so mahalaga din yun na yun, offline mode muna tayo guys, or airplane mode, di ba? So walang makaka-disturb sa atin ng mga notification, di ba? So yun guys, so ang third step natin guys is yung tinatawag natin na prioritizing your activities for the next day. So before kayo matulog guys, isipin nyo kung ano yung what's the most difficult task for the day tomorrow guys. So yun, i-prioritize nyo yun guys, na first thing in the morning, yun yung una nyo gagawin, and you will be amazed guys na yung level of energy nyo mataas from the start all throughout the day guys, because natapos yung the most difficult task for the day, and yun, nakapag-boost din yun na energy nyo guys. So definitely, it's a good idea. Yun, so yun guys, so yung last na natin na source of energy guys is yung spirit energy. Kumbaga, so ano yung spirit energy guys? So it means na doing things that are meaningful to you. Kumbaga, things that that you value, kumbaga, 'di ba? So ano yung ibig sabihin nito guys? So yon, we do what we think is in line with our values, kumbaga. So how do we do that guys? Actually ito yung madalas na nakakalimutan natin guys, that we tend to, like for example sa job natin, yung kung ano lang job yung nandyan, yun lang yung ginagawa natin. Hindi na tayo kumbaga nag-i-explore, kumbaga kung ano yung mga things that we really care about, yung things that we really value, kung ano yung gusto talaga natin gawin as a profession, di ba? So yun guys, so mahalaga din yon, yung spirit energy, because we find, kumbaga, inspired tayo guys, because we find meaning in what we do, di ba? Kumbaga, yun yung purpose in life nyo, kumbaga, di ba? So, pag ganun guys, pag ginagawa nyo kasi kung ano yung mahal nyo, kung ano yung mga things that are of value to you, or things na yung mahalaga sa'yo, yung somehow mas madali yung task, kumbaga, because you love what you do, you are enjoying, di ba? You're happy with what you're doing, so that could really be helpful to you in doing your task, di ba? So yun guys, so steps guys para at least yung spirit energy natin guys is mataas. Yun, so yung step number 1 natin guys, yun, do things that you love, kumbaga, do things that you are best at. Kumbaga, kung saan kayo magaling guys, And kung saan kayo masaya, yun yung gagawin nyo guys, diba? For example guys, alamin nyo guys, I have some video on that, previous video, yung you explore, kumbaga, ano talaga yung gusto nyong gawin in your life, kumbaga, di ba? Ano yung purpose nyo, kumbaga. So, yun. And then second, guys, we should allocate time and energy to those things that really matter to us, di ba? Could be your work, family, di ba? Mga advocates nyo, guys, mga social responsibility, yung mga ganun, guys. So, mahalaga, guys, na yung energy natin tsaka time, somehow, we allocate on those things that really matter to us, kumbaga, di ba? Family, of course, priority is your family, di ba? And yon, yung work, kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, di ba? And of course, yung mga advocates natin like sa environment, mga ganun, guys. So, yon, give time for that, guys. Mga hobbies nyo like photography, mga ganun, guys. Give time and energy to those things that you really love, di ba? So, yun guys. So, yun lang yung topic natin for today, guys, is yung how to manage your energy, di ba? So, it's not just yung time management, guys, but really it is really important that we also manage our energy, di ba? We cannot do yung mga tasks, guys, if yung energy natin, yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, is at the lowest, di ba? Wala tayong gana, wala tayong uninspired tayo, demotivated, di ba? So, definitely, wala tayong magagawang maganda, kumbaga. So, yon, it's really important. So, i-check natin, guys. I-check natin yung energy levels natin. And ensure lang, guys, na somehow we can maintain our energy levels so that we can accomplish yung things that we want to accomplish in life, mga things that we love to do, kumbaga. So, yun guys, that ends my vlog for today. I hope you have learned something new naman, something useful that that can help you with your mga tasks, mga goals for your life, di ba? Lahat ng goals nyo, guys, that somehow that those things that we discussed today would somehow help you achieve your goals in life, di ba? So, that ends my vlog for today, guys. My name is PJO. If you have anything to say, guys, comment, and if you have anything to ask, diba? Kumbaga, just comment down below, guys. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, PJO. So I'll see you again next time, guys. We still have a lot of videos to come, so stay tuned. So have a good day, guys. Have a nice day.